Open Minds, Open Hearts is funded through the Public Health Agency of Canada. In 2021, we were awarded funding to support dementia-inclusive community building, as well as reduce stigma related to post-secondary students working with people living with dementia and their care partners.
We have been doing virtual sessions with homes and students across Canada. We have found that residents are really excited when they hear that a student is joining them from somewhere far away.
So I was really interested when I learned about this opportunity, especially in times of COVID. Every single day, there were things that you could do and that would bring a smile to their faces, and that would just make it worthwhile, the whole thing worthwhile.
While some of it's virtual, a lot of it's in person as well. The students get to participate with a group of seniors. They can do one-on-one visits. They can fold themselves into recreation activities that the home is already doing.
We did quite a few activities. We have that building the birdhouse and paint the birdhouse.
One of the residents, she was painting. She completed the whole painting in one session. I haven't seen in all the sessions that anyone has completed the whole painting, and she was so excited. She could connect her back previous life and her love for painting, and she always looked forward for in other sessions to paint more.
I've seen a lot of students transform and evolve. They come in with a lot of anxieties, a lot of fears, and then all of this evaporates and alleviates over time.
I thought well, if they have the diagnosis of dementia, so I should be careful. But no, it's not true.
They have the more courage than us. They have the more willpower than us.
So being able to understand this diagnosis and being able to reduce the stigma with these people and this community is going to help us give them a better quality of life, because at the end, that's the most important part.
We often complain about life, how ungrateful we can be, but when I look at them, I realize that we always have to be grateful for even the smallest moments.